Hey guys, today we have a light up crochet hook. This is perfect for if you want to crochet in the dark or black yarn, especially since you can't really see each individual stitch. This is perfect for that. So in this case, it comes in this little good design. I love the design. So this is it like open up. It comes with stitch markers along with the actual light up crochet hook itself, along with the charger. It's actually a pretty interesting charger. It does connect on the bottom of the crochet hook. As you can see, there's a little hole there. This is the little charger. It's a type to the charger itself, and it's easy to connect it. You just need an outlet. The different sizes that come with the light up crochet hook, it comes from 6.5 millimeters all the way to 2 millimeters. And as you can see, there's a little wrench here, so you can actually change the tops. You do need the wrench to be able to switch it out and switch it back on. And it does have 2 light modes. So if you press it once, it's the brightest, and as you can see, it lights up. It's really cool. And when you press it again, it's a lower light in case you don't want it very bright, especially if it's in the dark. You can adjust it to your eyes with the lower light, but you can still be able to see the stitches. And then the third time, it turns off. So as you can see here, I started a little project with this crochet hook in the light. And as you can see, it's still perfect. It's amazing to use. I just switched it to a 4.5 millimeter right now. And it's just so simple to use. So if I use it, and this is pretty bright yarn, so this is really easy to use.